Ulat ka jela Meghalaya Satyapal Malik Hakasi palay juga tayo ula ajing mut ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bayalam daka National People's Party bahkan let kerpat jore ke Sarkar Pedeng bahkan ajing menjur no shwa ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill arhajar arpo bahkan long kasti ke jing yada ya ki pak riulum jong ke jela haswa ban penbore ke inaline permit. Hak jing kendu akasin beningkong bagilat patai kubor hadien bola shimti ke kamkum ulat Satyapal Malik ulapan pau bala da ude menteri rang ba kajela ke MRSSAB kandai ka thong ka ba khmat bandawa penlong an na ka sarkar Pedeng haswa jong ka ILP ulong ba kani ka bel kala sakut mentabar ka sarkar Pedeng namar ulat ubalalit nyo uklem soy ya ka bat kum ubashimti hadien kwa satya banya tam ya ka ka balale ubah haswa jong uni ulat lapan pau ba ka sarkar kan hak banya kerenti kenano bat menteri ki kampo yin kari bat nakaliang jong uhi dan satya kanu kujing persya lada ban ajing menjur kat kum kujing betha jong ko home ministry ulat lapan paru bah kujing kendu jong bat menteri ki kampo yin kari dangsen ha nong ba Delhi menteri ula keren sai ba kwa ya keren ya kani kam bat menteri rang ba kajela bat halor kani ula dep ai ktien ya menteri rang ba kajela ban le ya keren no Delhi bat banialam ya ki menteri sarkar nalor advocate general jong kajela baon pensul tu syah ya kamat jong menteri ki kampo yin jokari.
Union Home Minister is a very intelligent person. So he told me that he would prefer to talk about it to the Chief Minister. And I told it to the Chief Minister, you go and plead. Now also my opinion is, you first plead about the bill. ILP will come later. And it is, I can easily, if I am at his place, along with my cabinet, I'll go and plead with them that, look, this is harmless. So many things which are there in that bill already have been taken care in this tourism app and that labor bill. So very little is outside that scope, and it is harmless bill, to my opinion. But I cannot, myself cannot do it. You have to convince Home Ministry.
Halor ke jing dawa penteri kami ke inaline permit ulat ke jela ula penpau ba ke jing penteri kami ke jing bam penteri kami ke inaline permit ha Meghalaya ka song hakarai jong sarkar Pedeng. Ula penpau ru bana kaliang jong uhi la satya ban penpau la ka ILP ka long ke badan kam ni la baro kinong song ke jela ki kwa ILP ni bat ong ru ba ma uhi pak la ban sempang ba hadu katnu ka ILP kan yarap ke jela. Hendai udan pat ke jing sngau ba ka ILP kan sakta ajur ke jela la ka dei ke jing wan sengkam sengjam ki kam jungok kai perthei bet kibe kat kum ke jing ong ke jong ka MRSSA kadi ka an ke ba biang palat habai nu juar bat ka ILP bat kani ka an kanam dan jing ta ru ikinong song sunong ke jela hendai kan long sisa kasti yada
required to protect the people here, then I'm for it. I don't have any objection. But I have not studied it fully. If MRSS is passed, then ILP is not required at all.
Habai dei bigi jing yaki jongki kunhun sang bhalang. Uni ulat la ajing mut igi sang bhalang baki di ban kiar na ki jing pentut ya ka syong suk syong san, ka jing pen ibor, bat ka jing thang ten shop. Hendrai ka badan kam yaki ban le ka long bakin le ya sat ya ka jing kwa jongki bat ka sarkar Pedeng. Ula ong ba la da ki sang bhalang kinang ban ya sat bha. Pen ya ka akor bat persang ban pen ko ngu ka sarkar Pedeng leng ba ka jing ya kren. Baro ki kin la ban urlong. Uni ulat la kentu ki sang bhalang bakin sange no ya ki kam berngem bersit jingi snam ter haba anuk sa ya ka ka balaja ha Jammu bat Kashmir ka bala du no menta wat ya ka jinglong jela ka du no ka riti senchar du ya la ka jong kalama.
I have not understood that how ILP will help Meghalaya people. You will have no investment, you will have no tourism, nobody will come to you, and ultimately it will be harmful to you. Aisa lagta. This is not opinion, this is my assessment. So ILP should be allowed or not allowed, it is centre's prerogative. It is on their doorstep. I have no opinion. और इसको भी आप मत कहिए जो मैंने आपको कहा. मैंने सिर्फ बताया आपको कि ये खतरा है. From here to Cherrapunji, every dhaba is closed. From here to Guwahati, every dhaba is closed. Many shops run by the poor ladies, these fruit vendors, others, everything has gone. And after ILP, nobody will come to your state.
Halor ka kamti do yong bat shalan do yong ka jela. Ulat labu ke jeng kentui ke sarkar jela. Ba ka jela kala don kam mentaban penteri kam no da ka juk start science. Ha ka jeng ti do yong ha ka jela. Kibalong kat kum ki kendon kibala sya da ka yeng ka syari Supreme Court bat ke NGT. Ula ong ba ka jela ka don kam baha ya ka ni namar kum ka jelahi ka syania ya ka lat penmi pisa ni penmi khajana na do yong. Om na kiwei pat kilat. Handai uni ulat la kentat pat ban kentho halor ke jing mi ki jing keno ki bejur halor ke jing ti bat ke jing salan be an ye udo yong na ka jela.